Welcome back to another vlog, and for today's video, pag-usapan natin yung bagong financing product ni Shopee, and that is SPay Later Extra. Kung kailangan nyo ng budget pambili ng bagong cellphone, baka ito yung makakatulong sa inyo. Aside from your SPay Later, mayroong additional credit na pwede nyo magagamit pag nagsascan kayo sa mga offline mobile store merchants. Para ba ito sa inyo? And watch this video. Here, and of course dito sa channel, pinag-uusapan natin everything about utang. Kaya hindi natin palalagpasin tong si SPay Later. Paano ba siya gamitin? Kaya nga guys, gumawa tayo ng video na to, which by the way is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience kasi guys, sinilip ko siya sa aking Shopee account. Therefore, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel na to, subscribe kayo dito para updated kayo sa mga binavlog ko na mga utangan online, especially yung mga legit. This is the latest addition to the financing products na ino-offer through the Shopee app. As you can see, dito sa Shopee app, paano umutang sa Shopee, meron po tayong yung nako-convert sa cash, which is S-Loan, that you can get up to 100,000 pesos. At meron din itong si SPay Later, pang shopping siya within the Shopee app or pang bayad din sa bills. It's still a controversial topic kung nako-convert pa siya sa cash. Kaya mag-focus lang tayo kay SPay Later credit. Pag available siya sa inyo, makikita nyo to sa inyong app. Ayan po, nasa gitna po siya between SPay Later and S-Loan. Meron po siyang parang simulator or calculator to give you an idea kung magkano magiging monthly mo kung ito yung uutangin mo bale para sa mga gadget na yan. Select phone at offline merchant. Offline merchants, pang scan QR lang po siya. Hindi po siya nako-convert sa cash. Yung existing mong SPay Later na credit, yung always na andyan, werte kung merong temporary increase, diba bongga? Pwede mong i-combine dito sa SPay extra credit mo. Pero yung extra credit mong yan, hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin sa mga regular purchases na paggagamitan mo ng SPay Later within the Shopee app. So, pang offline mobile phone purchases lang po siya. Kaya meron po siyang mga partner merchant. But before we get to that, ayun, magsascan ka po ng QR and then repay in installments. Ayun mga guys, based sa kanyang calculator, for example, ang minimum pala is 2.5 and then of course, meron po siyang maximum. I think this changes or this varies from one user to another. So, kung meron kang 26,000 pesos, pahihiramin ka niya. Kung babayaran mo within 6 months is around 5,258.81. That's for 6 months. Or, kung 12 months naman, nasa 3,092. So, mas magaan pag installment, diba? So, if you opt for a phone, for example, that's only 20,000 pesos, then yung installment mo for 12 months, kung magta 12 months ka, is 2,378.87 per month. Mas magaan, diba? And installment for 6 months will be around 4,000 pesos for a 6-month installment plan. At kung 10,000 naman, so syempre yung magiging installment mo for 6 months, kung 6-month plan siya, is 2,022. Or kung 12 months, nasa 1,189. So we love installments because kahit na ang laki na pupunta sa interest, pero nagiging para magaan siya, diba? Kasi hulugan. I-activate mo siya. So yung nandito, lumalabas na refresh credit kasi last week. Sinilip ko na siya guys at yung binigay sa akin is 15,000 pesos na additional. Para lang siya talaga sa pang mobile phone purchase na offline. 7 days lang po yung kanyang validity. After that, you need to refresh. So when I did the refresh credit, it's another 15,000. Pero guys, depende po yan kay system kung magkano i-allow sa inyo ha. Basta, I think it just makes sense to say na yung S-Loan mo dapat, saka yung S-Pay mong regular, should be in good standing at wala kang mga overdue, hindi ka pasaway, para magkaroon ka na ng S-Pay Later na extra credit. So, andito po, meron lang siyang partner merchants. Feeling ko para siyang si Limit Boost ni Bilis. Yun nga lang, mas malaki yung reach ni Limit Boost ni Bilis eh. At I think mas slight difference, but the idea, I think, is the same because of the conditions that apply. For example, sa mga partner merchants lang, pang scan QR lang, and pang mobile phone purchase lang siya for now. So, if you're located in these areas, for example, sa Quezon City, Rizal, Manila, down to Valenzuela, or down or up, basta, sa mga areas na to, for every city na available po yung SPay Later Extra credit, meron pong specific na mga partner merchants. And for example, sa Quezon City, si Memo Express, SM North, EDSA. Please be guided accordingly. Check mo na lang kung located or merong malapit na partner merchant sa inyo. So, say for example, meron kang 2,000 na credit. Okay, yun yung, kahit na wala pang extra, meron ka ng SPay later na 2,000. Pag nagkaroon ka ng 15,000 additional, pwede mo silang i-combine. Pag pumunta ka ng merchant, mag-scan ka, bibili ka ng cellphone, pwede mo silang i-combine. Pero yung extra mong 15,000, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin kung sakali doon ka lang sa Shopee magsha-shopping. So, dapat magamit mo siya within that time frame, 7 days. You can use your SPay later extra credit together with your general credit when you shop at our partner stores. Paulit-ulit po siya, nagre-remind si Shopee niyan. Siyang extension ng Shopee SPay later mo. So that is why I think that it is going to follow the same interest and the same fees that your SPay later account has. And kaya dapat, para magkaroon ng ganito, of course, dapat verified po yung Shopee mo. Meaning, nag-submit ka ng mga documents sa kanila, like your valid ID, good standing po yung SPay later, tsaka S-loan mo, para magkaroon din ng ganitong offer. Because like I said, it's just an extension of your SPay later na general credit. I don't know if it's here to stay or promo lang siya with these partner merchants. SPay later extra aims to provide users with a more flexible option for in-store purchases currently available for select electronic mobile phone stores. It's an additional credit limit for SPay later users. Oh, ayan nga, extension nga siya ng SPay later, parang SPay later boost. Billies. It is an additional credit limit for SPay later users which can be used at selected partner merchants. So, ayun nga, be guided accordingly. Meron po silang list. Bago kayo mag-decide na gamitin nyo yung SPay later credit nyo, check nyo muna yung pupuntahan yung merchant is ka-partner po ni SPay later or andun po sa list nila. Just to be sure, diba? Ayaw nating mabokya tayo pagdating natin dun sa store. So, activate it. Of course, dapat meron ka na existing SPay later. Just follow the prompts that I've shown you earlier. Automatic po siyang na-activate. And it will follow the same billing cycle that you follow with your SPay later na general credit. That's all there is to it, guys. Unfortunately, nasa Luzon lang siya. It's not available. Wala pa silang mga partner merchants dito sa Visayas and sa Mindanao. Kahit na yung Memo Express na andito sa Ayala at sa SM ay hindi siguro pwede. So, kung kayo, guys, ay naghahanap kayo ng bagong cellphone dahil may isa tayong vlogger dyan na nagsuggest na kung palagi kayong reject, dapat new SIM. New cellphone? Doubt it. Pero, baka naman. Kung kailangan nyo lang ng extra cellphone for whatever reason at nasa areas ka mo where the partner merchants are also located, may malapit na partner merchant, then go. Why not? Take it if you think pasok sa budget mo yung magiging monthly installment mo. So, until then, I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!